friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So today we'll do live hand analysis for one more person. So the person whose hands analysis I'm going to do is a 21 year old who has just completed his graduation in computer science. So like the way I always do my analysis, we need to look at the hand at a large first. You just can't directly straight away jump to the decoding the lines of the palm. So the first thing to look at is how is the shape of the hand. So as you can see, in order to check and judge the shape of the hand, we check it on two parameters. First is the shape of the palm and the length of the fingers. So as you can just see in this hand, the palm shape is rectangular. What makes me say that? Because the length of the palm is greater than the broadness of the palm. So the shape of the palm is rectangular, and if we will just compare it with the length of the fingers, so how the length of the fingers is checked, it has nothing to do with the overall height of an individual. So if we were to check the condition of the length of the fingers, it is always measured with the broadness of the palm. So the broadness of the palm is 8 centimeter, and the overall length of the middle finger is little bit longer than the broadness of the palm. So we can say that the fingers in this hand is long. So a rectangular palm with long fingers makes this hand to be water type. So what are the basic traits associated with a water type hand is that these people remain to be very emotional, very intuitive, very imaginative, and they are like very emotional and very sympathetic towards the pain and concern of the others. So this is the kind of the sign which we can just get to know just by looking at the type of the hand. So that's the first thing. Now coming to the decoding the major lines of the hand. So as you can see in this hand, all the three major lines of this individual is very beautifully and very deeply marked. So you are not seeing any affliction on the very first sight on these three major lines of the hand. So like the way I say, this is our heart line, which tells about our matters of the heart, about our emotions, how we relate to the others. It also tells about, in physical terms, it also tells about the condition of the heart and the eyes. So this line, as you can see, is not afflicted. It is very beautifully marked. It is like, and the best part is this line is beginning from the mount of the Jupiter of the index finger. So in a negative, the only negative side of this is this could make an individual too idealistic in the matters of the love, in the matters of its relationship. Otherwise there is no self-centeredness, there is no selfishness, although this heart line is making this individual's emotions to be very idealistic and highly principled. So this is the condition of the heart line. Now coming to decoding the condition of the headline. So as you can see, the best part in this hand is, see, prima facie, as we got to know that the hand is of emotional type, the heart line is idealistic, but when it comes to the logics, so in those conditions, when he has to take the call or when he has to make the decisions of his life, he will not get too swayed by the emotions. What makes me say that? Because his ability to logically see at things is not too deeply curved. Had this line got curved to the bottom of the palm, which is the domain of the moon, this would have heightened the imaginativeness in this person's life, making him daydreamer, building his own castle into the dreams. But this headline being straight in a pink color of the hand is making this individual to be realistic. There are emotions infused in his personality, but not to the cost of getting swayed by the emotions. So a straight headline, unaffected line, tells about good logical ability, practical level-headedness. Now coming to the condition of the lifeline. So this is our lifeline. Lifeline tells about our physical health, our stamina, our physical disposition, and the major events of the life are also checked from the lifeline. No matter what kind of events are you checking in the hand, even if you are checking the condition of the about the children, about the nature of the job, all these major events of the lives are always cross-checked with the lifeline, so which is also very unafflicted and in a very beautiful state. So we can just, by looking at this, can say that this person is balanced in the approach of his matters of the heart, in the matters of the way he thinks and his physical disposition. He is balanced. And the best part is, like the way I've been seeing this thing in all of my videos, that too much of the crisscrossing lines in the hand tells about too much of the nervous activity of the brain. So in his hand you are not finding all those signs. So it means he is practical, level-headed, not to the cost of unnecessary thinking. Now coming to the decoding the minor lines of the hand and telling about the character analysis, digging deep into the character analysis of this person, as well as determining the major events of his life. So like the way you can see, the mounts are considered as the very important pillar, important vertical of the palmistry. They tell about the presence of the almighty divine consciousness in our life. They are the energy centers which supplies a current to the whole hand. So mounts can be found on three levels. First, at the bottom of the fingers, this is the first level of the mounts: mount of Jupiter, mount of Saturn, mount of Apollo, mount of Mercury. This tells about our desire for leadership, our wisdom, seriousness, about our extrovertness, about our communication, business ability. At the center is the mount of the Mars, which tells about our our confidence, our courage. This tells about our aggression, and this tells about our mental strength. This portion, this tells about our our love, appreciation for beauty. This tells about our imagination. So the best part in his hand is that all of his mounts are beautifully developed. There is no affliction. These mounts are puffed, risen. Mount of moon is also curved little bit outside, and there are no presence of negative signs like the sign of cross, the sign of grill, all those negative signs, even the mole, the till, all the negative signs are not present in his hand. Now coming to just one sign which is giving me little bit of jittery feeling is that there is one little bit of forming and the presence of the girdle of Venus, which is just about to form. So the problem with the girdle of Venus is it just tells about too much of pent up nervous energies, and it tells about someone who is extremely sensitive and emotional in the matters of the heart. So this girdle of Venus, which is about to get formed, had this line got completely formed over here, although it's not completely formed, it's about to get formed. So as you can see, it is not completely joined. So this tells about heightened emotions in the life of and in the nature of an individual. So this is something which this person needs to worry about and remain watchful of, not getting swayed away by the emotions, because I am very much sure his straight headline will keep a guard on all of his emotions, but he is still very much vulnerable towards his matters of the heart. And now coming to the looking at the other signs. So as you can see, this small line coming out from here, this is known as the Diksha Rekha, or even the renunciation line. So this makes someone very spiritual. So even his mounts are beautifully developed, which tells about a balanced equilibrium state of the energy in his hand. And the other signs, if we were to look at, these lines are the lines of the children. So his hand is not only promising good potency, good vitality, because mount of Venus is well formed, risen, mount of Jupiter is well formed. So not only his hand is risen, but he will also get blessed with good children. As we can see, these lines marked on the mount of Venus, which are checked for the children. How many children will an individual have? We can't just completely predict the number of children, because for that the family planning, the contraception methods being opted, and the hands of both the couple, both the mates need to be checked. Otherwise this hand is potent in terms of having progeny. And coming to the part of looking at the other signs. So as you can see, the condition of the thumb. So thumb is little bit flexible. Thumb is not straight, rigid, firm, which could have made someone very obstinate, too stubborn. So in his case, his thumb is flexible, making him flexible as per the situation. So whatsoever situation is demanding, he would mend his nature as per the situation governing. And next thing to look at is, if you can see little bit of waist kind of formation over here, which makes someone kind of very tactful in handling different kind of situations, different kind of nature of the people. So he will also remain very good in that. And now coming to decoding the other minor lines. So as you can see, even here he has this straight line. This line tells about, which is deeply curved on the mount of the Venus. It tells about, this is known as the line of Venus, which tells about two things. One is the level of loyalty. So as I can say this thing very confidently, that this person would remain to be very loyal in his relationship. Along with that, this line also, because it is found on the mount of the Venus, which tells about our appreciation for beauty, about our family, the liquid cash which we'll have, the car which we will drive. So he would remain very lucky in all those matters. Now coming to the other secondary lines. So as you can see, this line of Mars, which is going to protect him in the form of providing necessary vitality to his physical disposition. So the little bit of signs which this person needs to be watchful of, I will just summarize them. So the first thing is that the girdle of Venus making this person too emotional. There is one heart line which is reaching too close to the mount of Jupiter, making this person too idealistic. And as you can see, the line of head and line of life is joined from the start. So this just kind of makes person very little bit of vulnerable towards matters of digestion, little bit of lacking immunity during the early age. So we need to age the lines. So if I'll just correlate and measure the age on these lines, so this is coming out to be somewhere 16-17 years of time. So during that point of time, this person might have remained vulnerable from the having little bit of lack of resistance when it comes to his vital energy, or even problem related to stomach, little bit of indigestion. Apart from that, in next part of the life, there is no serious affliction in the hand. And there is one more problem. As you can see in the headline, there is one little bit of island, something like this island, which is getting formed on a straight line. And if you just time that, this is coming to be straight under the mount of Saturn, under the middle finger, and this age is 35 years if you would just time this line. So at this point of time, at 35 years of age, he might just remain little bit vulnerable towards excess of pressure, little bit of mental strain, which we all just go through, because that is the time when you get married, you get promoted in your nature of the job, and you get too much of you get overwhelmed by too much of the pressure which comes to you. So this is the time at the age of 35 years when he needs to remain vulnerable. Apart from that, his fate line has started originating from here. So this is what you can see is the fate line, which is not completely formed. So if we were time that this line, so this is coming to be somewhere around 28 or 29 years of age. And even this, there is one more line here which is coming out, jetting out from here. So this point of time where this line is originating, so 27 28 years of age would remain to be very fortunate in his life, where he could just start off doing something on his own, or making big decisions like getting married, or starting up his family, or a promotion in the job. Apart from that, if you just look at closely, so there is one simple kind of formation which is not very close, but this line which is coming from here. So this also tells about this is lined in a trident formation. It is getting again towards the mount of Saturn. So by looking at this hand, I can say that in the matters of the fate and fortune, this person won't face too much of the trouble. So this is how analysis is done. Prima facie, the way analysis is done, we always look at the hand as a whole. We'll check the condition of the fingers, we check the mounts, and then lastly we come to decoding the major lines and then the minor lines. Apart from that, hand is good. Little bit of there's a little bit of space between the little finger and the ring finger. So this tells about at times this person remain very extrovert and outgoing in their dealings of the life. And one thing which I forgot to mention, if you'll check the condition of the fingers are pointed. So this is again telling about and confirming the signs of emotions, sensitivity infused in this individual. So what we can advise this person is that this person is blessed with too much of good thinking and creative abilities. So apart from his regular nature of life, it would remain to be very beneficial for him if he would take some creative hobby, so that he would have a creative outflow for the flow of his pent up energies, and for the flow of his all his creative artistic abilities. Because if he will not take refuge in all those creative talents, he might get swayed by the too much of overthinking and sensitivity. So this is how analysis is done. I hope I made myself very clear in this video. For further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.